Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go the question. So there is an XY plane. In the XY plane, we have a line. So there is an information over here. The graph of y equals to f of x positive 14 is shown. So which equation defines our function f? So we have the graph for this equation. Actually, it's a line over here. So, the equation of this line is defined in terms of f of x, and we have to find f of x equals to what? Okay, so already we have the equation of the line here. So let's find the equation of the line from the graph. Okay, so here it's a falling line. So because whenever I want to get the equation of line from the graph, first I have to look at the line from left side to right side. When I look at the line from left side to right side, it goes down. So if a line goes down from left side to right side, it's a falling line. So then its slope must be negative. Okay, let's write the equation of this line in slope intercept form, that is y equals to mx positive b. So here m refers to slope. Okay, so to get the slope of this line, we can use rise over run formula. Okay, to use rise over run formula, I need two well-known points on the line. Well-known points are the points at where we have both the x-coordinate and y-coordinate are integers. I think we can take the y-intercept as one of the points, because this y-intercept we have 0. And I mean the x-coordinate is 0, the y-coordinate is 2, so both of them are integers. And let's take the another point as the x-intercept, because at x-intercept we have the x-coordinate 8 and y-coordinate is 0. Okay, so here to get rise over run, I have to move from this point 0, 2 to 8, 0 vertically and horizontally. The distance I move vertically is called rise, the distance I move horizontally is called run. Okay, here since it's a falling line, so we have to move down from this y-intercept, I mean the point from the point 0, 2. So I am moving 2 units down over here. So from the point 0, 2, since I'm moving down, so we have to consider this is -2. So this is called rise. Okay, to reach the point 8, 0, now I have to move horizontally. Horizontally, how many units should I move from the origin? So I have to move 8 units horizontally to reach the point 8, 0. So this is called run. So the rise here is -2 and the run is 8. So already we know that the formula to find the slope m is equal to rise over run. So rise over run means rise is equal to -2 and run is equal to 8. So 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 8 4 times. I'm getting -1 over 4 as a slope. Okay, so now what I can do is I can plug in m is equal to -1 over 4 here. So then I'm getting y is equal to -1 over 4x positive. So what does the b refer to? Actually, b refers to y-intercept. So the value on the y-axis at where the line cuts. So here the line intersects y-axis at 2. So the y-intercept is 2. That means we have to plug in 2 for b. So now I got the equation of the line given in the graph. But already we have the equation of this line in the question itself, that is y is equal to f of x positive 14. So in the given equation, here I find the constant positive 14, but here I find the constant positive 2. So in this equation, I must get the constant positive 14 so that I can get the stuff which is equivalent to f of x. So, but here we have the constant positive 2. If I want to get positive 14 as a constant in the equation over here, what should I do? I have to add 12 to this constant 2. So that when I add 12 to this one, so this positive 2 and positive 12 will become positive 14. But when I add positive 12, the original stuff will change. So to compensate the addition of this positive 12, I subtract 12. So now it becomes 0 pair. So when I combine these two, it will become 0. Still I have the original stuff, that is y is equal to -1/4 of x positive 2. Okay, now let's simplify this one. Y is equal to -1/4 of x. When I combine this positive 2 and positive 12, I'm getting positive 14 and -12. Okay, so here in the given equation we have positive 14. So we can write this positive 14 at last. So we can write this -12 along with this -1/4 of x. Then I'm getting y is equal to -1/4 of x, -12, positive 14. Okay, now the equation what we got from the graph is exactly in the form of the equation we have in the question. Okay, so now what we can do is we can compare. Let's compare this given equation and the equation we got from the graph. So y is equal to f of x positive 14. So here we have y, here we have y, here we have positive 14, here we have positive 14. At the place of f of x, what do we have? So we have f of x equals to -1/4 of x, -12. So I got the stuff which is equivalent to f of x, that is -1/4 of x, -12. I find this stuff in option A. So the correct answer choice for this question is option A.